another drug seizure, which appears to be very high level of drugs of 4.3 kgs of cocaine worth rupees 43 crores, puts to shame the last drug seizure which Honorable Minister of the Goa government, Alex Sequeira, I will quote his words, "Drugs are available everywhere and there is no need to organize the Sunburn Festival just for the sake of the drugs. It's the responsibility of parents to keep drugs away from the youth." The Honorable Chief Minister tried to play down this statement by saying it was a slip of the tongue. Such a statement which makes sense from one sentence to the other, I don't think it can be a slip. A word can be slipped, but a whole statement which makes continuous sense cannot be a slip of the mind. It is wrong on the part of the government to be in denial mode and pretend all is rosy. From 11 crores now we have got 43 crores worth of drugs being caught in the raid. It is an open secret that the drug trade is flourishing with connivance of certain people in high positions and power, including those very well highly connected. And this cannot be happening unless there is a protection or a participation by commission which people may be taking and people may be enjoying. If the government is very serious, such type of even police officers and policemen who are involved right from top to bottom, and other officials who may be involved for collecting money and allowing this mafia to operate and the drug trade to run, should be booked, should be divested of whatever positions they have and should be kept away, and if they have the evidence, they should arrest them and put them behind the bar. It is only when you start cleaning your stables then you will be able to have a good state which you can run. Otherwise, pretending that everything is good does not augur well for anyone. It is open secret that even for festivals, functions, parties, these big ones I am talking, not small parties, big parties, there is a collection for protection to allow all and sundry to happen. And this is known everywhere, that if you do not pay you get raided, and if you pay you are protected. I think it is time for the government to come forward and to show that it genuinely means business and take action against all these people who are not only bringing bad name to the government but bad name to Goa. Why should we suffer by having the name of Goa being spoilt? Why should we, who are not indulging in such kind of drug rackets, that we lose tourism? I think we need to have a total cleanup, and only then Goa will be able to move forward to better horizons. Who is actually enjoying Achhe Din with this drug trade and the drug mafia? Who is the kingpin? Who is the boss? Has the police ever investigated the source of the money? Has the police investigated the route? In the Giri matter, they said they had issued lookout notices and they were looking out for certain accused. 43 crores this time, 11 crores last time is not chiller, it is not small change, it is big time money. For someone to entrust you with such kind of material which is valued so much, there has to be some boss, there has to be a financer, there has to be a guarantor, and definitely you have the mules who are carrying, delivering and then finally supplying. This is not a one-man job. It has to be a well synchronized syndicate which has the blessings right from those enjoying the Achhe Din from the top.